Today in this video I want to talk to you guys about cars, bank finance. I know most people don't even like this system. Some people don't even like the concept of a balloon payment, but we don't have to complain about those things because this system we need it anyway, whether you like it or not. We found this system here, we're gonna leave it here the way it is. If you don't like a balloon payment, you don't have to take it, but you must be okay with the monthly installment you are offered, because you can't want the low installment and you don't want the balloon payment at the same time. The system is designed this way. You might feel like it's fucking you somehow, but this is how the system is. And people who use bank finance, they use it to their advantage. You know, they don't look at it in a negative way, because if you do, you might end up being scared of buying a car or being scared of using these systems. The thing is, systems are built in a way that you might not like it, but at the same time, who has cash money to buy a car? Not a lot of people, okay? So we still, even with a phone, a simple phone for 20k, you are better off paying 800 per month. It's simpler. Let me just say it's much simple for you to pay 800 per month than to get cash, 20k cash. You understand? So we use these systems in a way that benefits us, not instead of complaining about them when we know very well that we need them. So ladies and gents, in this video we are gonna talk about everything cars, bank finance, the whole system of getting a car, the whole process, VAPs, value added products, on the bank side, on the car side, on the insurance side. Without any waste of time, let's get on with it. The episode of Dropping Gems. This section here, this is a new section. We are preparing it for the new Chinese brand that we are bringing into the dealership. We're gonna get JMC, it's a Baki. I'm sure some of you guys have seen it before. We're gonna bring JAC, which is a compact SUV, and another sports, regular size car, which is a GS3. The GS3 has got a R-Line type of car. You guys will be the first to see the cars as soon as they arrive. I think I'm getting the cars tomorrow or something. So we are gonna go through them, all right? These cars are similar to GAC. It's similar to, your Jetor, Dashing, your Haval, those kind of compact SUVs, all right? Okay, now let's talk bank finance, all right? Okay, so let's talk about bank finance and its realities. Some people don't like the realities of bank finance. Some people, they don't like it, but they understand what the concept is about. Look, a lot of people don't have money to buy cars cash. Okay, that's just the fact. There's a system that allows you, that can give you full amount, 200k, for you to go and pay for the car. And they want double or almost double. You become an asset to them. Every single month, you are liable to giving them money. For 2 years, this money might not even be going towards the car. This money is going towards the interest. Remember, you are going to pay double or almost double. So every month you pay for the first 2 years, it's just towards the interest. You're only going to start paying off the car after 2 years. This is why you are getting a 72 months contract. Whether you like this system or not, it is the only way, that's if you don't have cash money to buy a car, for you to get your hands on a car, to own a car. Well, even though if you don't pay the bank, first 3 months they are sending you sermons. But yeah, in a way, they call it your car, but it's actually under, you are the owner. the dealership is the title holder, meaning they keep the RC1, the latest papers of the car, even though you are the owner. So this system is how it works. I mean, even rich people who have money, why don't I use credit if I have buying power instead of using my own money? Just like a phone, I already said this. Most people can come up with 20k to buy a phone, but I'd rather pay 500, like the phone I use. A cash price is 25k, but I'm paying 600 including airtime and data, which is a better choice. I prefer it that way instead of paying cash for it. I like the installment, even though I'm probably paying double. So we have to understand this concept and these systems and use it to our advantage. Use them in a way that benefit us, instead of looking them in a way that this system are ripping us off. But what can you do? This is a system that exists. You found it. It's gonna be this way. Some people take a balloon payment. Let's say I buy a demo Vivo, right? The plan is to keep the Vivo, because VW, it's a car, manufactured to last. In most cases, you can buy a car with plans to keep it forever. Let's say a Vivo demo. Take it with a balloon payment, or over the months, as you keep paying monthly installment. When you get some money, hoy money towards the balloon payment. You can push the balloon payment, get to a point whereby at the end of your term, there is no balloon payment for you to pay, or maybe it's just 10,000 rands, 15,000 rands left. I know the system is designed in a way that is so complicated for regular people to understand. You might call in money into the car account, and then they spread out the money that you pay into interest, into small amounts into different. Remember, there's interest, there's paying off the car, there's a balloon. So this system that's why I'm saying you have to be smart. Plan. What's your plan about the car? You planning to keep it? Are you planning to trade it in after 2 years, after 3 years? Look at your plans, what your plan is with the car. If you are planning to keep the car, you can push the balloon payment along the months. Make sure you tell the bank that you are paying towards the balloon payment. If you want to trade in the car, don't do anything. Just keep the car for 3.5 years. You will be able to trade in. After 3.5 years, the interest should be paid. And the balloon payment. You should be at a point, especially a car with value like a Polo Vivo. You should be at a point whereby the money you owe the bank and the value of your car is at break even. Then you don't have a shortfall. Then you trade in for another car. Every 3 years you trade. This is how people use this system, okay? Instead of complaining about it. Alright? The same way, the very system has qualifying criteria across the banks. We are talking MFC, West Bank, Standard Bank, Absa. Each of them have got qualifying criteria. Absa, West Bank might decline you, but Standard Bank approves you because you met their minimum requirements, because they are Standard Bank. They've got their own way. Okay? No one understands how their systems work or their criteria work. Even people who work at the bank, they will tell you the system rejected you. Okay, so now you understand the systems and that you have to approach them in a way that will benefit you instead of complaining about them. All right, we all know they're screwing us over somehow in many hidden ways. Okay, now let's talk about VAPs, value added apps, value added products. So on the car side, when you buy a car, let's say it's a new car, the car, sometimes they can put it already, you buying it is new, it's already there, smash and grab. Okay, rims, the car might be standard with rims, then you can add, it might come standard with plastic caps, the black normal rims, and then with wheel caps, then you put steel rims on it. Okay, those are extras, smash and grab. On a pre-owned car, when you're buying a pre-owned car, the car should already have rims, or maybe it doesn't, but it has smash and grab. So remember, a pre-owned car, this car, someone was driving it before, and maybe it already had some things. Maybe it had smash and grab, rims, those things. When you buy the car, they should be included in the price. Not that you are buying a second-hand Polo Vivo 200k and then it has smash and grab and rims, and then the company selling you the car, the dealership is still adding smash and grab. It shouldn't be that way. If it's a new car, yes, it might be they are charging you because that car doesn't come standard with those things, so they should charge you. But at least they should explain to you these things. Tracker, I mean, the dealership doesn't have to sell you a tracker unless they explain to you how they loaded a tracker. But otherwise, you don't need it. You can go get yourself a tracker. Sometimes it's convenient for you to take the car from the dealership and it already has tracker, they arrange it for you. Sometimes that can help you. Those are value added products, some examples when it comes to the car. Now there by the F&I's finance side, they might add a warranty. You need that. It's important. According to me, it's important. Some people might not need it. The dealership might have by law that for 6 months they must be liable, for the car in case it breaks. But you can't bank on that. You can't bank on it. So to be safe, just take an extended warranty, even a cheap one. So those are VAPs or service plan. Decide if you need a service plan or not, so that when the service of that car is due, you don't have to search yourself. So these are value added products on the finance side with the F&I. Okay, on the F&I side also, there might be protection, windscreen protection, tire protection, chips, stone chips, body paint protection. I don't know, you decide if you need these things. But sometimes you might find that the dealership are just adding ridiculous stuff just to make money on the car side, on the finance side. Alright, even insurance, I won't delve too much into the insurance one, it's not really my product. But on the insurance side, there's top up, there's short term, there's a shortfall cover. There might be a shortfall cover there. You should also do a research on the insurance side. There might be added products in your insurance, like car rental. Car rental meaning, let's say you crash your car, and then a tow truck takes it away. They are still busy trying to figure out if they're gonna pay for the car or they're gonna fix it. Then in the meantime, you will have a car to drive around. That's an extra product. All right, top up plan on the insurance side, that's a top up in case you write off the car and then there's a shortfall of 40,000 rands. The top up plan will help you with the shortfall. But the more you add car rental top up plan, your installment on that insurance will be higher, so you'll pay more. All right, also look at stuff like when the insurance is install premium is cheaper, excess might be very high. Excess is the amount you pay when you claim, let's say you crash the car, it's written off, there will be 5,000 excess amount. If your installment on the insurance is 1.2, your excess might be 28,000. Sometimes this can work for you. Remember, you can't afford the installment of 1.8. Rather have the access being high and a lower premium. So in most cases, high access, low premium. Just go with what you think will work for you. Do you want to pay 1.8 with a 5,000 access, or do you want to pay 1.2 with a high 30,000 rand access? You should decide what works best for you. Remember, this is an in-case thing. You'll figure it out when that happens. Take a low premium, high access. Decide what will work for you. I'm just giving you game here. You must decide what works for you. I would prefer very low premium, high access. Remember, we don't know what's gonna happen. It might not happen. In case might not happen. This is an in case thing. So if it happens, then I'll sort out the 30k when that happens. All right. That's just according to me. Find your way and find what works for you. Again, these are systems that are there. They are designed to be this way. Make them work for you, not against you. Ladies and gentlemen, Billy Mashitoa here, your boy, giving you gems. Please go follow me on TikTok. Go like, go share, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I drop gems every single week. I break down cost of cars every week. I drop gems every week. Ladies and gents, I'm out.